Making chicken spaghetti is very nice and interesting. Alright. Now for you to achieve this chicken and spaghetti recipe, you need chicken and fresh tomato and spaghetti and nothing much again. Alright, and normal spices you will use in making this particular recipe. Now I'm washing my chicken to put it in the pot to proceed for spicing. As I always tell you that the foundation of everything you are doing is very important. This is my chicken. I'm putting it in the pot. Then remember, I said for you to spice the chicken and get the taste, you don't need to put water before first cooking, right? Now I'm putting my thyme curry. I believe you know what is thyme curry. Now I add my dry pepper, alright? Then this is my seasoning cube. I add my seasoning cube. What do you think about it? After that, what else I did? Now I'm adding this spice. I'm adding is chicken glory to just helping the chicken, flavor. Alright. So if this is your first time to see this channel, do well to subscribe. This channel is all about how to cook all kind of African food. So I added my salt earlier. I added my ginger. I added my garlic. This is my chopped onions. Now what I add now. Remember, I say don't add water. After everything, I cover the pot to cook for the minimum of 3 to 5 minutes. Alright, now I open my pot. This is what I get. Remember, I did not put water initially, okay? Now the chicken is boiling. This water you are seeing here was produced by the chicken. Now I'm turning it to make sure that the spices touch all the chicken. Rub all over the chicken, okay? To make sure it's rubbed all over the chicken. You can see my tomatoes is sliced already. I just keep it. Right now, after everything, I still turn the chicken to see, make sure that all over is the chicken take the water. All right, I check again after some minutes. The thing is getting sharp. It's taking the aroma of this chicken is nose blinding. Okay, then I added a little water because of what I'm going to use it for is for spaghetti. All right, I don't need too much water for the spaghetti, and this is the only water I use in making that spag. Very interesting. Right, now I check it again to see the condition. The condition is very interesting. Wow, what do you think? Only the aroma of cooking of this chicken will tell your neighbors that something is happening here. Something is happening here. So as I said, this is the best foundation of everything you want to cook. Now this is my spag. I'm breaking my spag. I don't want it to be long, that's why I'm breaking it. You can choose to leave your own long. All right, after this, make sure you add your salt, because this is the only salt I'm going to use in this. All right, now let's see our pot. Yes, now it's boiling. After boiling, make sure you wash it, filter the water that was boiling. All right, when you filter it, then what else? Your pot on the fire already, or on low heat. Don't use high heat to do this. Then you put in your onions. Very important. Right, so what do you think? If you are watching the video to test and you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Do well to subscribe and turn on your notification bell. Now I add in my chopped tomatoes. I did not blend it. Chopped tomatoes. Right, now after adding my tomatoes, I will add what again? I will just turn it. Make sure I turn it very well. It's taking shape. It's taking shape already. Then when you add the tomato, make sure you cook for some minutes. I'm adding the spices now. What I first add is this this signature jollof produced by Magistar. If you use it for any kind of jollof, it's very nice and tasty. Okay, This is my curry powder. I'm adding it already. You will know it. Alright. So this is the process which we are going through to get that chicken spaghetti done. After adding the curry powder, I turn it to make sure I stir it very well, to make sure everything mixes together, because this is like a sauce before making the spaghetti inside. We allow it to cook for some minutes. This is yummy. What do you think? Drop your comments on the comment section. You can ask any kind of question you want to ask about this particular recipe. Anything you don't understand, ask me on comment section. And do well to like this video, please, so that it will be able to recommend it for other people. Now we're adding our chicken. Don't forget, this chicken was spiced with salt and season cube. That's why I did not add salt and season cube when I was frying the tomatoes. After I add this chicken and the water, I have to turn and test to check if I need to add any other thing. Remember, don't add another salt, because you add salt when it was parboiling this pack initially. Okay, then after this, we add in our spark. Then when you add your spark, you can add little by little. If you add little, you turn, because if you pour all of them at the same time, the spice might go one side. When you pour a little, you turn. You pour a little, you turn. Make sure you mix together. Alright, make sure you mix together. Don't add another salt, don't add another seasoning cube. Alright, because all this was added during the chicken spice. Remember, it's only chicken water I use in making this. So what do you think? If you find it very helpful, give me a thumb and subscribe.